Hi students, so today we're going to talk about drawing flowers, and I found this great video about from an actual artist who's drawing flowers for kids, and I'm going to pause it every so often and give you some suggestions as well. Let's listen.
Greg McKinney, and today we're going to be drawing flowers for kids. When drawing a simple flower, I like to start off using a compass. Now this just gives me...
If you don't have a compass, you could trace a circle, like maybe if you have a container in your cabinet that's like a circle shape, or like a butter container in your refrigerator, you could trace that to start. Don't worry if you don't have a compass.
A perfect circle for the middle of the flower. Just kind of a basis of my drawing here. So there's just our middle of our flower. So we can just take this, make it a little bit darker so that you can see it. All right, and then you just can start on your petals. You can start at the top and just make little oval shapes just like this. And another little oval shape like that. Keep them about the same size.
Now, this artist is keeping them the same size, but if you think about flowers, they're not always perfectly, the petals are not always perfectly the same size. So if yours don't look exactly like his, it's okay. Because in nature, things aren't perfect either.
Mine may vary just a little bit. And one more here. Okay, that's